Hey everybody, welcome to Ellis Mowers. I appreciate y'all watching as always. A little bit different of a video here. Actually got a gift in the mail from somebody that saw my channel, or a company that saw my channel and wanted to send me some stuff to at least review and try out if possible. There's a specific product that they wanted me to review, and that's what they've sent here. And that company is called MaXpeedingrods. M-A-X. It's like max speed without the S. All one word. So MaXpeeding. I've got their website down in the description below, MaXpeedingrods.com. They've also got an Instagram account by the same name. And they've actually also given me a code if y'all want to buy mower deck spindles or any performance parts for a lot of common vehicles. I know they do some, I saw a lot of Honda stuff. I saw some diesel stuff and a lot of truck stuff as well. A lot of makes and models that they cover. But this is this is something else that they do, which I was kind of surprised. They sent this in the mail. They sent me about $150 worth of deck spindles. They sent me an entire set of Cub Cadet RZT 50-inch deck spindles. And they sent me at least one Craftsman like LT1000 riding mower spindle. There'll be future videos in about using at least the Craftsman one. I have to see if I can find an application for the Cub Cadet ones. I think they're similar enough to a regular MTD, like a Troy Build or whatever, that I may be able to get by with putting them on that. But while we're here, I'm going to open them up and we're going to give some first impressions, alright? So, again, MaXpeedingrods sent me this. Price-wise, I think this Craftsman deck spindle was $38, and the Cub Cadet ones are $128 for a set of 3. So you're talking about 40 some odd dollars a piece. That is about $20 or so less than if you went to a retail store and bought them, or probably your small engine shop. So you're going to save a little bit of money there. This is probably the Craftsman one, if I were to guess. They are, at least the person I've been talking to appears to be overseas. So they are an overseas company, but they do have a warehouse in the United States. These actually shipped out from Kentucky somewhere. From Hebron, Kentucky. I do not know the proper pronunciation. So, and they came in this packaging here via UPS. They do have free shipping. I did check their website. If you do buy something from them, and if it ships out of their US warehouse. So you got the free shipping deal too. Mine came via UPS. I don't know if yours will too. But here is a little bit of info when you look in the box here, it looks like. So, MaXpeedingrods, they say 100% brand new aftermarket parts, conform to the original standards and crafted to ensure exact fit and function, etc., etc. Manufacturer address, you can see that it is in China, but what else aftermarket does not come from China? They at least have a US shipping warehouse, which is good. They even sent me a little pamphlet saying thanks for your purchase. We hope you enjoyed it. They even have a little about us here. Focused on performance over decades with more than 3 million customers. They house over 100 pieces of equipment. It even shows their warehouse. And it shows what they all sell here. So you got connecting rods. I'm sure that's their bread and butter since they sell, since their name is rods. But you've got crankshafts, turbochargers, coilovers, air suspension, carburetors. So you may be able to find a carburetor for your riding mower too on the website if you look. And get 15% off of that code in that description below. Let's look. So we've got, packing peanuts here. Packaging is pretty good, actually. A lot of times they just come in a box and with no packaging softness, so it makes it easier to break. These got some packing peanuts in there, so that makes it a little bit easier on the packaging, better to ship. Let me pull this as the Craftsman one out. All right. This is actually packaged very well. This is actually the Cub Cadet one. I am sorry. So, here's the Cub Cadet one. Pretty good. They have an area where you can add a grease fitting to this right here, as you can see. It does not look like it comes with one, nor are the threads tapered inside. So keep that in mind. You will have to add your own grease fitting. Actually, I'm sorry. There's a hole up here. The grease fitting is down there. I've just missed it. So there's your 6-point. I did check the height. If you change the pulleys on these, you might be able to fit it on a Troy-Bilt or a like a newer MTD. But these, like I said, are for the Cub Cadet RZT50. You can see how easy they're spinning, and they look like they're doing a pretty good job. It seems to be a little bit better quality than some of the cheaper spindles that I have gotten over the course of time. So that's good. I'm going to, they sent me, let's see, what else did they send me here in this big box? While we're here, right? Might as well. Let's see what they sent me here. Let me get my knife. And if you're a company watching this, want to send me some products, I mean, I'll put a video out. I'm not scared. I don't sell my soul to sponsorships or anything like that. But I'm always happy to look at your product and I'll tell you what I think about it. So we'll get this second box done. Unboxed here. So what else do we have? We have a set and more packing peanuts here. These are stars instead of black pieces of plastic. So they sent me one Cub Cadet, which, like I said, retails for about 40 bucks. And then they sent me two of these, which I think retail for about 60, 50 or so dollars for the pair. And these are the Craftsman ones. Now these are the ones that I will be putting on a mower and will be showing in a future video. I'm sure that's what the second one is. Look to be pretty decent. From what I can tell, it comes with your bolt for your mount and your rounded 5-point, and then your nut for the spindle. for the pulley. And it comes with your bolts. And it comes with tapered or tapped holes, excuse me. So that helps you, because I've had some of them that have not come, and you have to use like these self tappers in order to get them. So that's a plus there. So again, thank you MaXpeedingrods for sending me this product. That Cub Cadet deck spindle is pretty good, y'all. If you need one for your 50-inch Cub Cadet, or we might try adapting it to a deck with a grease fitting. What do y'all think of that? To a regular MTD deck. This won't be the last time you see them. Like I said, 15% off. I got a link in the description below. Just click that link. It sends you to the website, and it should give you the 15% off when you add your things to the cart and go check out. It's almost kind of like a Ebates or something like that. It'll apply it at checkout. So thank you all again for watching. Thank you MaXpeedingrods and Rena specifically, who I've been talking to, for sending me these items. You know, talking about close to $100 worth of product here. I thought I was getting the whole set, but she only sent me one, which is perfectly fine. That's all she wanted me to do is review that. So looks good, especially for aftermarket. Again, they got some shipping, free shipping in the United States and all that good stuff. And seems like general good communication, and website looks pretty good too. So so feel free to buy whatever. Like I said, they got performance parts and all that good stuff in their website for your cars and mower deck spindles, carburetors, and all that good stuff. It's the most common things that we're going to be replacing, right? So thank you again for watching. Thank you for MaXpeedingrods for sending me some good deck spindles. And I can, you know, hypnotize you with the deck spindles here to end the video. And thank you for all the subscribers and for allowing stuff like this to happen. If it weren't for y'all, I wouldn't be getting, you know, items to review and try out. And I just appreciate all the support from companies, from you all subscribers, and for those that are just passing in. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. See you then.